Beep. Okay, it's connected now.
Can you only do
so let's go to 88.5.
There you go.
88.5. Alright, now let's get a song.
LTE.
Alright. First song in the truck. LTE.
Just shuffle it up.
Boom.
Did you connect Bluetooth on your phone to that?
It's
working.
Kind of low. Oh shit. Alright.
Caffeine with codeine, I'm smoking nicotine. PCP, pills in my cuisine. I'm fucking Drake this way, Chris this made, suicide.
So, I could not play my music from this freaking thing because there's like no Bluetooth on it, and the cord that comes out of the glove box is like
iPhone. It's a 4-point thing from.
It's like a 30 pin. It's called a 30 pin.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah, it's like a 30 pin. So I ended up coming to Best Buy and I got a 30 pin adapter to the lightning plug so I could plug in my phone. It worked, except like it would show up on the screen that my music was playing, but no sound would come out. So Brendan got to my house. We're making a video of Brendan today, and he said I should get this Bluetooth thing, and basically you just look. Oh look, it's doing something. So basically it's this Bluetooth like little thing. It plugs into your cigarette lighter. She's like messing with something. I don't know what that is.
It's just a volume.
Oh, okay. And then it says, see how it says 88.5? You just put your radio station to whatever it is, which is 88.5.
It's an aux.
And I'm saving it right now.
It's just
So now 88.5, whatever, whenever it's on 88.5, I just play my music and it comes out. See? And now it's coming out and it's on 88.5. So I got the music situation solved in the F250. There's obviously a lot more stuff we have to do, but today we are not focusing on F250. We're focusing on Brendan's brand new car, his dream car that he got, which I'm super stoked on. I'm really proud of him, and here it is right now.
They know the bait was suicide. Too deep when I ride. Ruby getting out for the pills that I supply. The screws are bound, flat tires in a 06 Chevy. Looking like I'm Bloody Mary, sipping codeine and berry. I'm down to doggo when I
91 Skyline gts-t Type M.
right-hand drive, baby.
Yep, right-hand drive. You know, it obviously needs a little work, but it looks good how it is now. Since Brendan has seen my awesome welding skills, he has come to Goodwin Customs to get a nice little fat pipe put on there. So right now the pipe just like sits there, and it tosses flames, and the flames like shoot into the bumper, and it's like actually kind of scary. So we're gonna weld a nice little exhaust for him, and it's gonna look sweet, but that's gonna be on his channel. I'm not gonna film any of that, so make sure you go subscribe to him and you can check that video out. I'll put it in the description too. So I'm gonna do some sweet welding right now, hook this man up fat, and then we'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like, and then when he pulls the car out, we'll like go for a ride or something and, you know, shoot some flames.
No.
That's a fat bite. Oh my god.
Okay, yo te llevo tu leche. Tengo que parar por el agua en dos maneras.
We just finished. Everything's back together. All we have to do is let back down the car, but before we do, I wanted to show you what we did under here. So this is what it looks like.
Hot boy points.
What is it, 4-inch, right?
Yeah, 4-inch exit.
4-inch angle cut. Looks pretty tight. Like, it looks super sick. So I just hooked my man up with a weld right here.
Oh, hell yeah.
And a weld right here.
Oh, hell yeah.
And then we took this off. Like, what we did is put it on first, tack this on right in the position that we wanted it. And then we took it off from the bolts all the way back here. And then it was like one hanger, super easy. So I could weld all the way around, make sure there's no holes or anything. Nice. So now we're just gonna get under here, put our hands around here, see if we feel any leaks. So there was no leaks by the welds where I did, but Brendan says he feels a leak where we took off the bolts because there's no gasket. There's like, it's just like silicone or something like that, so that's not good. He can get a new gasket, that's no problem, and then put it in there whatever he wants. But we're gonna lower it down now, take it out. We're gonna go somewhere where he can rev it and maybe shoot some flames. This thing tosses some massive flames, and maybe we'll do a couple donuts or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, so we're in the truck now. We're gonna go to a spot where he can rev and, you know, hear what the car sounds like, and also maybe get a better look, or maybe we'll go to a gas station for that or whatever. And he wants to do some donuts. He's done his first burnout the other day, which I'll put right now. Oh my god! Later, dog. It was pretty nice. Got a lot of tire smoke, and now he wants to do his first donut. So definitely gonna do that. Hopefully I can catch some flames on camera because this thing shoots massive flames. Bye. Cut it harder. Harder? Cut it harder and pop the clutch, yeah. Like, go that way, cut it super hard, and then just pop the clutch. That's not working. So for whatever reason, Brennan's cars, like the wheels aren't locking up. It's supposed to have an LSD because it's a Type M, and it may have an LSD and it's just not locking up, or it may have an open diff. I don't know what's going on there, but it's not anything he's doing. He's doing like the correct things. It's just not getting sideways. It's like roasting. I don't know what's gonna happen. So I know when he did the burnout, the video I showed you earlier, both the tires are spinning. So I told him to try to start in a burnout, go to full lock, and then let off the brake and see if it'll do some donuts. And if not, then worst case scenario, you get a sick burnout out of it, right? So that's what we're gonna try right now. It's not, you're not breaking loose. Your diff is not locking up for what. If it is an LSD, it's not locking up, and if it's not, well, then it's obvious why. But yeah. But here, let's walk around the car. Super clean. Super nice. It like has some decent fitment right here. It looks really good. Here's the inside. Just chilling in the truck.
Ah, look. Can I drive this big ass truck?
Nope. What do you think about the truck? Comfortable?
It's really free. Look at this. I can sleep right here. I can sleep. Like, I could lay this down and this could be my whole bed.
I mean, there's a big back seat. You could literally just take a blanket and a pillow.
I literally fit right there.
Yeah, I know.
I bet I could fit there like straight out.
Yeah, you probably could. Oh my god. You fit perfectly.
Oh my god.
You could totally like sleep in here comfortably. My sister was looking through here when she was sitting in the back. The previous owner left me some beach toys.
We're ready to go to the beach.
Yeah. Let me see if there's any more stuff in here. There's like
Hey, come here.
trash.
Come here.
That's sick. Thank you, previous owner.
What the fuck is this?
It's a bat.
It's a cat bat.
A cat bat.
Cat back?
Alright, so we were looking online and trying to find pictures of like gts-t LSDs and whatnot, and they look like that, so I don't know what the issue is. He does have HICAS. I don't know if that affects anything. Like, I don't know. It runs like, it rips nasty burnouts, but it's just not sliding. So if anybody knows what the issue is, definitely leave a comment, because we don't know. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, let me pop the hood on this thing. Oh, wait here, yeah. Jesus. You want to see mine?
I know, yours is huge. What the fuck is that? I'll trade you.
That's a turbo. Alright, start this puppy. Yo, what's this motor out of?
Supra.
Straight out of a Supra?
Yeah. Block the head, everything. It still looks like the IS motor.
Yeah. Well, IS's come with 2Js, right?
Yeah.
But this is like a legit 2J
yeah.
GTE VVTI?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's a VVTI with the Supra block, Supra head, and then the whole turbo kit out of a Supra. That sounds so sick.
Damn, son. I can hear it already.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
When you touch me like that, got me running right back. Want it, want it, want it, want it, want it now.
For those of you that don't know, Tyler with this IS is actually one of my old friends from way back. We played hockey together way back in the day, and it's funny, we just ran into him. He actually works at a shop down here, so I actually see him quite often nowadays, but we haven't seen each other for years before that, and it's just funny that we run into him, and he also got a new car, and then I'm in my new truck, and then Brendan's in his new Skyline, so that was pretty tight. But now we're gonna go grab some food, and we'll see what we do after. So I'm sitting here editing this video, and I realized that I forgot to make an outro, and also this last bit with the forgot to make an outro, and oh my god, are you this last part with Tyler and his IS is a little bit confusing, so I'm just gonna explain that real quick. After the failed donuts with Brendan, we went to go get some food at Flanagan's, and as we pulled in, Tyler was walking out of Flanagan's, and he just happened to have his new car there, so we talked about it for a little bit. I didn't explain that in the video. And after that, we just went into Flanagan's, ate, and called it a night after that. So that's pretty much it. Also, I have some news on the truck. The truck may or may not have a few more issues that I was unaware of when I bought it. Hopefully it's nothing major, but I'm going next week to get it checked out, and let's just pray that it's nothing major. Other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Why they wanna be me? It's not what it seems. Running to the bank, putting wet on my Achilles. We been thumbing blue faces like they Washingtons. On a run from MIA up to Washington.